you see? I hit it!
You hit it.
Hey everybody, so we spent most of last summer on and off leveling our backyard, tearing out trees, bunch of thorn bushes, and have finally gotten it relatively flat. We rented a trencher to add some sprinklers into the backyard, and yeah, as you can see here, I immediately got it stuck before I even did a foot of trenching. We specifically had asked for a Trax-driven trencher and just had a mix-up at the rental place, and he ended up giving us this. I hoped it would be a no big deal, and it was a terrible idea. I got it stuck like 3 or 4 times. So, word to the wise, make sure your trencher has tracks.
I got it stuck already.
We need to give a quick shout out to my dad, who not only helped Travis get the trencher unstuck, but also helped us later on in this project when we had a huge disaster by loaning us his tractor and also letting us take quite a few truckloads worth of dirt. So thanks, Dad.
We have been doing a bunch of sprinklers today, and the last couple days I've been bad at showing you guys what we've been doing, but let me show you where I'm at so far. This is our backyard that I've been working on with the tractor, which it may not look like much, but all of this was just as steep as can be, totally pretty useless. There was a little patch right here, but for the most part all of this was all trees and steep, kind of like my neighbor's yard way back deep over there. So with that tractor I leveled all this out as best I could. We rented that trencher, and I've started laying these sprinkler lines. First time I've done sprinklers, so I don't know if I'm the best to tell you guys how to do this. I'm gonna have one zone. The water pressure I have back here is crazy. It's like 80, I think my measurements were 80 psi out of the faucet, and filled a 5-gallon bucket in 12 seconds. And so that math told me that I could have 6 of these sprinkler heads that I have here, no problem, on one zone. So that pipe right there is my incoming water that was already here when we started this project, and that is just Weber water, sprinkler water. I have it coming into a faucet and then going to the controls right there. I have one sprinkler over there, and then the other 5 go this way. There is one way over there, one over there, another about right there, one way over there, one right there. And then I have also ran a wire that will power that and run all the way through this trench, all the way down, and to my garage over there where my controller is. And it'll hook up with my front sprinklers and my side yard sprinklers. This flexible pipe here, I can't even remember what that's called, but I just had some of that lying around, so I decided to use it up. That's what I used in the front yard to move some sprinklers from one side of the sidewalk to the other. That's really nice, really easy stuff to work with. And I used that stuff where it made sense to in this yard. You can see there my wire continues on. And here's where I'm at. I'm almost done. That's my last sprinkler, my last run. And I'm running out of light, but that's what I'm gonna do right now.
Time to test it.
Time to test it.
So we tested the sprinklers last night, and then this morning we woke up to our neighbor pounding on our door, and our water main had come unattached right here and washed a bunch of our dirt away into the neighbor's yard. That's probably what, like 2 feet deep? 2.5 feet deep?
Yeah. All my sprinkler stuff's strewn all along it.
That pretty much sucked. So we just went and got a load of dirt, and we're gonna try to fill this back in. It caused a sinkhole in our neighbor's yard, so we're gonna fill that with dirt too. We have no idea how long it was running for, but obviously a long time. So this is the first load. We're gonna go get another load of dirt.